Hey guys, Donnie here, and this is the unboxing for the Pixel 3a. Sorry the production's kinda lackluster because I'm really excited to open up this phone. I didn't have much production time to do this, and because I'm gonna go out of town soon. So since the production's really rushed, you may notice a lot of white balance issues, so I apologize for that. So unboxing experience is pretty simple. You got your documentation. It has a fast charger. It has a USB-A to USB-C adapter, which will be helpful to transfer files from your iPhone to a Pixel if you need to. And of course, it has a USB-C charging cable. Got this Pixel 3a for supposedly $399 plus tax. If you trade a working iPhone SE Verizon version, Google can refund you around $259 back to your credit card for the trade. So I guess it's worth it. It's been a while since I reviewed an Android phone, and I'm really excited to have a Pixel back in my hand. Comparing to an iPhone, of course, iPhone's a lot shorter, but the Pixel 3a is much easier to hold in the hand. And even though this is made from a polycarbonate material, it is still slippery and it doesn't feel cheap. I don't have to be careful holding this around. I actually decided not to put a case on it. So that's my unboxing experience. I'm gonna have a full review pretty soon, so stay tuned on that. Again, this is Donnie, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.